Hello everyone and welcome to today's house tour. We are in for such a special treat because if you cannot tell, I had such a crazy F1 weekend. My voice is a little gone, but we got to get work done. I'm here with my associate Vincent. Hello. And we're checking on one of our rehab projects. So I know I mentioned before and shown maybe one or two of the projects we're doing here in Vegas. Right now we're checking out this townhouse. We just locked it up. There hasn't been anything done yet, but we're going to show you exactly how we kind of walk through it and what we're going to do. And this is what the neighborhood looks like. We are in the east side. We're on the east side off of DI and Eastern are the major cross streets. This is a gated community. Guard gate. It's like technically guard gate. It's just never there. So this is technically a guard gate neighborhood and the guard's just never there. But this is actually a really nice, really tranquil townhouse community. Super chill vibes. The weather today in Vegas is a little rainy. Let's go check it out. So this is actually a corner lot in this community. So this right here, technically someone else could, like neighbors could walk through. But this is where the front door is. And you have a lot of space right here. And it has a really cool backyard that we'll get into. Thank you so much, sir. Ding dong, ding dong. All right. I know immediately there's going to be a lot to say, so let me walk y'all through this. Can you hold this?
Of course.
I have a video walking for today, y'all. Okay, so immediately walking in, the first thing obviously is the carpet. I know it's green, but come down here with me. It's actually in pretty good condition. Little shit stains, little pee stains, but we're still going to take it out. This right here is an atrium, which is just like it's for plants. It's supposed to be for plants right in the middle, you know, a little centerpiece. Focal piece of this living room. Right now we are making sure if we're gonna be able to put concrete, making sure it could drain on a day it rains like today in Vegas, getting everything right. So that's the first thing that you see when you walk in the house. So we're definitely gonna make this like a really, really beautiful piece. Right here is the living room. What we are gonna do is most likely take out this wall right here because the front door is right behind it. So you're gonna be able to walk in, see the kitchen, which we'll get to in a second, look at the living room and the beautiful atrium right here. And this townhouse also has really nice high ceilings. So we definitely wanna open up the space, let all this natural sunlight come in and make this the best listing in Las Vegas. To the kitchen, let's go. We're gonna get rid of this for sure because I'm probably the only person that can eat under here without it bothering anybody. And this is the kitchen right here. So we're definitely gonna put in all new appliances, new countertops. These cabinets are actually in pretty good condition, so we're going to paint them, maybe buff out any spots that need to be fixed, everything like that. One of my favorite features of every kitchen, as you guys know, is when there is a window above the sink because, you know, I'm in the kitchen a lot cooking and I love when there's like airflow and, you know, when you're actually making food, you can air everything out. And like I said, remember this is a corner unit, so this is just gonna be unobstructed. And that's when your neighbor tries to come holler at you. Vamos. All right, I had to get a little coffee break. F1 weekend was insane, you guys. I was just having a ball. I was acting my age for once, if you will. All right, these are the bedrooms here. Nothing too crazy. This one does open up to whatever you call this again. How do you say it?
Atrium.
The atrium. I don't know why I can't say that word. So this is gonna be a really cool room that is gonna, you know, flow through the living room. We're definitely gonna take these built-ins out, and this would personally be like a really, really nice office space. It is connected to the bathroom right there, which will go around. But I personally, if I lived in this home, would just make this a beautiful office space, have this open, have some zen, if you will, you know, make sure my caterer is in the kitchen making up my lunch and just having a good time in this beautiful property. Something that I really like about the like rehab side of the entire real estate industry is that it takes a property that would otherwise not sell and be sitting on market and be vacant and allows us to, you know, really go in and put in our touch and take it back to market so that way there can actually be use. One thing I do not like about the housing industry is when there's vacant homes sitting. There's some people that need housing at whatever price point. For example, this seller, it's been on the market for just quite a bit, and it's a win-win, you know, when we can come in and have, you know, give the seller that offer that they're looking for and then bring this property to life so that way a new family could come and enjoy this home without any homes sitting vacant. You guys know what I'm trying to say. You got me. You feel me. All right. So this is bedroom number 3. And this beautiful, lush, emerald green carpet, it just flows throughout. Like I said, corner unit, this townhouse actually gets really nice lighting. All right, right here, we've got the bathroom that the bedrooms over here are gonna show. We're definitely going to take this vanity out, redo the shower, redo some tiles, but this is actually a pretty good size. Like this is one of the rehabs that, like, obviously it's aged, but the carpets aren't in bad condition. Vanity is not in bad condition. Cabinets are good, and these floors are in good condition. So this is a room that leads to what I'm gonna call the office room that is reflecting on the atrium. This is a linen closet here. Here we've got the laundry room. We've got some built-in cabinets, some uppers. We're gonna put in new appliances. And this townhouse does have extended to our garage, and we got some built-in shelving and cabinets. These are not, let's see how strong these are. Oh no, these are really sturdy. I'm like, these don't look this sturdy, most sturdy. I've actually hadn't walked in the garage of this property yet. But yeah, nice little attic space too, if you would care for that. Let's go check out the master. Okay guys, so let's check out this primary. Vincent is gonna help us walk through. There's so many mirrors here. I don't know what the seller was doing in here, but we got mirrors on mirrors on mirrors. Thank you, sir. As you can tell, I do the showing of homes. He doesn't really talk much. He just locks up the deals. And then this is built-in shelving, really nice. So this is actually a pretty spacious bedroom. Can fit, what size do you think?
About 60 of me in here.
More outside, beautiful sunlight coming in. And like I said, they really, really liked mirrors here. Like, I thought I was full of myself. I'm just kidding.
Should we keep this?
No, we're gonna make it match the other
Just making sure you
vanity. Don't test me. We've got a little window up there, but just mirrors on mirrors on mirrors in here. Which honestly, we don't have to take these out.
No, we're not.
These are actually like.
No, we might make it like in sections, like take.
Yeah,
out.
you can like I was saying, like this flip. Obviously, it looks like the age of the home, but it's not in bad condition whatsoever. And then we're definitely gonna make this, redo all this tile, put in some nice shower finishes in here.
Walk on in.
Yeah, make it match the. Yeah, you got it. Yeah, you got it. I don't. Okay, for me, I don't think I have to. Yeah, I'm gonna duck in here. But here's the shower, y'all. Definitely, we're gonna make this match very nicely the other bathroom that you see right here at this flip. So this was the part 1 of this little series I'm gonna do. Well, I'm just gonna add it to the daily videos here on this channel. I want to show you guys what this looks like, you know, when we just kind of lock it up. When I'm saying lock it up, it just means, you know, get the house under contract. We're gonna close on this in about one or 2 weeks, make sure everything's good. And then as we do renovations, I'm gonna take you guys along. So we're gonna be checking in maybe like 3 or 4 times so you can see what it takes to flip a home. But let me show you the backyard. All right, so right here we have this little wet bar that we're actually gonna keep, most likely.
We're keeping it.
Yeah, make it.
With alcohol?
Yes.
Yep.
Make it look nice.
I like this little knob.
I think that you can, yeah, a little antique.
These little knobs.
I think that it looks really nice. This fireplace, comment down below, paint it, keep it. We don't know. We don't know because we want to make this whole area very like open concept because we're taking down this wall for sure. And we're going to take down this side of this wall too. So everything flows. All right. Lots of windows, as I said. And here is your backyard. Right here. Perfect to maybe grow some plants. And this is the backside.
Put some bushes up here.
Yeah. Make sure everything's level. I know you guys can tell, but it's not level in here.
Take all this stuff out, make it level.
Yeah.
Put some pavers down. Make a nice little patio.
Little patio area. And this is that little walking trail for the neighborhood. And then we started at the front door right there.
Boom.
So let me know what you guys think of this property now. If you had your hands on this and you did not have a budget, don't even think about budget. I'm curious. Comment down below anything that you would add to the property. What would you restore? What would you completely take out? Give me your feedback. We actually really like hearing feedback over here.
We do.
Yeah,
do.
on the team. Thank you so much for watching. If you're looking to hire an agent, you know that I link my inquiry form. Every single video is going to always be the first link in the description. I would love to work with you, see if we're going to be a good fit, whether you're buying on the east side, whether you're in the $200,000 price point or the $1.2 million price point in Summerlin. Let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.